Vanshika welcome you to Abhyas Institute of Education. So in our today's video, we will be learning a very new topic which is les professions, the professions.
So first one is businessman and businesswoman. For businessman, we have homme d'affaires. Homme d'affaires. And for businesswoman, it's femme d'affaires. Femme d'affaires. Next one is housewife, which is femme au foyer. Femme au foyer. Student. Student is étudiant et étudiante. For feminine, it's étudiante with E, and for masculine, it's étudiant. Next is actor or actress. Actor, actrice. RICE is feminine, EUR is masculine. Then for doctor, we can even have médecin or doctor. For writer, we have écrivain, écrivaine. Again, the one ending with E, it's feminine. The one with N, it's masculine. I repeat, écrivain, écrivaine. Chanteur, chanteuse. It's singer. One ending with EUSE, it's feminine, and one ending with EUR, it's masculine. Chanteur, chanteuse. Ingénieur, it remains same for both masculine and feminine. It means engineer. I repeat, ingénieur. Dancer, danseuse. EUESE is feminine, EUR it's masculine. Dancer, danseuse. Journalist. The one ending with E, it's feminine. The one ending with T, it's masculine, which means journalist. Journalist. Analyste de données. Data analyst. The one who analyzes the data is known as analyste de données. Données means data. You can repeat after me. Analyste de données. Avocat et avocate. One with the ending of E, it's feminine, and one with T, it's masculine. It means lawyer. Avocat, avocat. Next is dentist. It's ending with E, even if it's masculine or feminine. As the name suggests, it is dentist. Soldat. Soldat means soldier. Militaire means military. Militaire. Secrétaire. Again, it's ending with E, masculine or feminine, it remains the same. Agent de police. Agent de police. Agent de police means the agent of police. Next we have instituteur, institutrice. It means teacher. We can consider instituteur as and institutrice as the teacher. The one ending with CE, it's teacher. It's masculine, it's feminine, and the one ending with EUR, it's masculine. Next we have formateur, formatrice. The people who train, the trainers, they are known as formateur or formatrice. Next we have professor, professeur. The one ending with E, it's feminine. The one ending with R, it's masculine. Last, tutor. Tutor means tutor. So these were some of the very important professions. Okay, we have a lot more professions, but these are the ones you should remember.
So that's all for today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, keep practicing. A bientôt.